Hello, this is a short video presentation on finding the equation of a line parallel to a given line through a point. In other words, I'm going to give you the equation of a line, and I'm going to just draw some random line here. I'm going to give you the equation of a line, and I'm going to give you a point, and I want you to find the equation of the line that's parallel to my red line, but goes through this point. That's what we're going to do. Find the equation of this line right here if I know the equation of that line. After we learn this, then we're going to do it with the lines perpendicular. But today we're going to focus just on the parallel lines. Okay, I've drawn two lines here that are parallel. Parallel lines mean they never intersect. The lines never intersect. So now let's look at the slope of these two lines. This line, I go down 3, left 2, down 3, left 2, negative and negative. My slope is 3/2. Here, I find a point. We'll use this point right here. We'll do it in a different color. And we'll use this point right here. Up 3, right 2. Our slope is 3/2. It should be somewhat intuitive that parallel lines have the same slope. So I'm going to give you the equation of one line, the red line, and a point, some random point on the other line, and you have to find the equation of this other line. So, the steps are very simple. 1, find the slope of the line. 2, use point-slope form. To find the equation of the line, to find the equation. All right, I have one very simple example, and that's all that we should need. Find the equation of the line, parallel to the equation 3x minus 4y equals 8 that passes through -1, 2. The point -1, 2. So, step 1, find the slope. Step 1 here was find the slope. So, I'm going to look at my equation, and I'm going to find the slope. So, step 1, solve for y. Y equals mx plus b. I want to solve this equation for y. So 3x minus 4y equals 8. Subtract 3x. And I get negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. A lot of you have not been putting this term first right here. It should go first. All right, now we divide by -4, divide by -4, and we have y equals 3/4 x minus 2. All I care about is my slope. My slope is 3/4. So the equation, step 2, find the equation using point slope. The equation is 3/4 equals y minus over x minus. And now I look at what point I'm using. I'm using this point right here, -1, 2. So I'm going to write that down. -1, 2. I have to go through that point. So we have x1, y1. So it's y minus 2 over x minus -1. And some of you have been struggling a little bit with this. Minus a negative, remember, plus a positive. Immediately change it. All right, so I have 3/4 equals y minus 2 over x plus 1. Don't forget your parentheses. I'm going to multiply both sides by x plus 1. That means that this x plus 1 and this x plus 1 cancel. And I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. And I do that because then this 4 and this 4 cancel. And make sure you show those steps. Now I have 3 times x plus 1 equals 4 times y minus 2. And I'm almost done. Distribute, and I'm good to go. So I have 3x plus 3 equals 4y minus 8. And remember, we want to always put it in standard form. Standard form, ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers, no fractions, and a must be positive. So, I'm going to subtract 4y, minus 4y, minus 4y, and I'm going to subtract 3, minus 3, minus 3, and we end up, these 3's cancel, these 4y's cancel, 3x minus 4y equals -11. This is the equation of the line that goes through -1, 2 and is parallel to this line. All right, so to reiterate, we're almost done here. You want to first take your equation that I give you, and you want to find the slope. The y-intercept here, not so interested in that. I just want to see what is the slope, and then just like we've been doing, once we have a slope and a point, we find the equation. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that this makes a little bit of sense. We'll be practicing. Please don't forget to take the quiz, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.